In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. In my case, browser. When your new apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Finally, just tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on my new downloaded one in order to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!